Good afternoon, students. Okay, children, good afternoon. Welcome to your English online class of today. Okay, so without wasting any time, I hope we will move ahead as it is 12:52 with the new examples. Okay, with new examples on active and passive voice only. Why? Because I know that this topic is little difficult and you people are feeling problem to make it or change it into convert it into active and passive voice. Okay. Conjunctions and connectors is very easy topic. Transitive and intransitive verb is also a very easy topic. So as I told you in the last class, children, you have to correlative conjunctions. Comparing active and passive voice, I found that you are doing pretty well. Even then, we will be having a revision session of connectors, conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Okay. So now today again we are going to have some more revision exercises on active and passive voice, as well as I will be sharing a question, planning notes question paper. That means it is having planning notes for 2 dialogue writings. Okay. Dialogue writing session is over. I have given you 2 questions, right? So today 2 other questions based on 2 other situations will be posted in your Google Classroom. Refer it, make a dialogue and send to me in Google Classroom itself. Okay. So here we go. So all of you look at the examples. Okay. So yesterday, whatever the exercises we solved, I will just go with the answers. There were mistakes found in some of the answers which I have checked in Google Classroom. Okay. Only few were 100% correct. On other exercises which is uploaded, there were 1 or 2 mistakes were found. That means there is doubt. Okay. So I will be just sharing the answers with you of the homework, so you people can just see why it is wrong and why this is happening. Okay. The first thing is that the gifts dash. All students, please look at the presentation. Okay, I hope you can see this. The gifts dash. Okay, if I enlarge this, no, the problem is that I cannot type. The gifts means it is a plural noun, right? The gifts means plural. So it has to be changed into past tense. So what we have to use? As it is plural, we have to use were. The gifts were wrapped. What is the third form? Wrap, wrapped and wrapped. So were wrapped in papers is the correct answer. Were wrapped is the answer. Next one, the plate dash washed by her. Here you see, the plate is singular noun, right? The plate is singular noun. Now look at the tense to which we have to change it. It is present tense. Plate is singular, so we have to go for is. The plate is washed. What is the third form? Wash, third form is wash, washed, washed. Right? So the plate is washed by her is the answer. Now look, the cow. The cow means singular or plural, children? The cow means singular or plural? The cow dash on the ground. Fall. Fall is the verb given in the bracket. The cow means it is a singular noun, right? So we have to change it into past tense. So what should we use? The cow was. Now what will we do? What is the third or past participle form of fall, we have to check. Fall, first of all, fall, fell, fallen. Okay, fallen is the third form of the verb. So it becomes the cow was fallen on the ground. A snake. A snake means singular or present. A means you know that. When you hear A itself, A means singular. It should be changed into present tense. Right? So, a snake is killed, killed. Right? Third or past participle is killed. So, we have to write a snake is killed by me. I'm telling the reason also, listen carefully. Okay. And all these particular third form of the verbs should be learned by you. There is no capsule, there is no dawai for that. Okay. You must and should learn it yourself. I told you, I asked you when physical class was going on, have you learned this third form of verb when present perfect? Verbs perfect. That lesson was taught by Sunanda madam. You might have seen the verbs, three forms. Have you learned? Yes, mom. Yes, mom. Right? So now what happened? Many of the students, they don't know the past participle form. But in the beginning of the class itself, I told you the past participle form has to be learned just through practice or just by learning it, like multiplication table I told you at that time, right? So once you learn it, then only you can apply it, otherwise there will be problem. Now we have to change this sentence. He opens the door into present tense passive voice. So what is happening? What is the object? Object becomes subject, subject becomes object. So here he is the subject, opens is the verb, the door is the object. So अभी क्या होगा? क्या होगा बताइए आप? The door should come in the place of subject, right? So how will it be? T should be capital letter, then the door, and now you look. The door. The door means singular or plural. Just let me know. The door. All of you can change it. Okay. The door, singular or plural, is the singular verb for this door because it is in present tense. The door is singular. Now open, what is the participle form? Past participle form of open. What is the past participle form of open? What is the past participle form of open? Jump, jumped, jumped. Play, played, played. Right, play is first form, played is second form, played is the third form also. Past participle also. Jump, jumped, jumped. In the same way, opened, opened, opened. Right, third form. That means past participle form of this verb is opened. Okay. The door is opened now by, he will change into object pronoun him. Okay. So now let's change the next one. She sang a song. She is the subject, sang is the verb, a song is the object. A song is the object. So now object should be the subject. Right? Object should be the subject. Now I hope you people can start typing the answer. One is done for you, and here I am telling you the object also. That means you can do now. Just check a song means singular or plural. A song is singular or plural. If it is singular, which auxiliary verb should go with it? Was or were? Because we have to change it into past tense. A song, and as you are typing, yes, it is was, which will go with this. A song means it is singular noun, right? A song was sing, sang, sung, right? Third form is sing, sang, sung. Sung is the past participle of sing. So a song was sung by her. A song was sung by her. That is the answer here. Now look at the next one. She pays a lot of money. She is the subject, pays is the verb, a lot of money is the object. So what will happen now? A lot of money should come to the place of subject, right? A lot of money should come to the place of the subject. So when we are starting a sentence, as you know that it should start with a capital letter. A lot of money means singular or plural. You decide yourself. First of all, children, whenever you are changing a lot of money is a uncountable noun, so it is considered as singular, right? So we will be using is. A lot of money is it present tense? Yes, is. Now pays is the verb given here. We have to find the past participle form of it. A lot of money is paid by her, right? A lot of money is paid by her. So pay, paid. Understood? Paid by her. Now look at the next one. See, we are practicing like this. We have to practice. Then only we will come to know about the format. Okay. Somebody hit me. So what is the subject? Somebody. Hit is verb. Me is object. Right. So now this is a tricky question. Me will come as subject. So what is the subject pronoun of me? This is a very tricky question. Okay. That's why I have given it. Somebody hit me. What is the subject pronoun of me? Yes, Agudi is correct. The subject pronoun of me is I. Right? I. Now when it is I, it is singular. You all know that. So in past tense, we will be using along with the I. Which auxiliary verb? It is was or were. Come on, hurry up. Let me see who will make it correct. Now it is time for you people to do changing the sentences. I have changed it into me. I have changed it into subject pronoun, right? So, come on, hurry up. Now change the full sentence, all of you. Now you know that as it is singular, we will use, it is written past tense mein convert karna hai. So we will use I was. Now what is the verb? Hit. Hit has in three forms, means past participle also same. Okay, base form is also same. There is no change in it. Past tense also same. Hit. Okay, and put, cut. These verbs have no change. Okay, I was hit by somebody. Children, all of you should start converting. Try it. If it is wrong, there is nothing going to happen. I have no revolver to shoot anybody. Okay. Now, look here. Next one. They bought 2 dogs. Now you see, they is the subject, bought is the verb, 2 dogs is the object. I am teaching you like that of small kids. You see, I am telling each thing. They is subject, boat is verb, two dogs is the object. Now two dogs, which is the object, will be the subject. Subject का place में क्या आएगा? Object. That is what is? That is how we are changing or converting active voice into passive voice. Okay. So the first letter should be capital because it is the beginning first letter of a sentence. Two dogs. Two dogs. It has to be changed into past tense. Two dogs means was or were. What will we use? Two dogs means it is plural, right? Dogs. We know that plural. So in past tense, which auxiliary verb we will use? So you should think and put it. Okay. All of you write change full sentence. You have to change full sentence. Harshul Lagare, that is wrong. There is no was or where in your sentence. Beta Kaushik Gore, there is no the two dogs. Two dogs directly. Two dogs directly. Sunil Avari, we are changing it in past tense. So no are. That is wrong. Okay. So here it is where which we have to write because two dogs means plural. Two dogs were buy, bought. Past participle form of buy is bought. Two dogs were bought by them. Okay. This is the answer. So I hope the students, those who have made some mistakes might have understood why it is changing like this. Okay. So let's see other homework questions which I have given yesterday. Question 6. And students, I want to tell you one of my observation. Okay. The students, those who are attending the class are nicely responding, putting chats in the chat box. I am very happy. Okay. But this number of students, those who are doing the homework on every day is very, very less. That means you are just attending the online class, and by attending the online class, you think that you have learned the concept and you can attend the examination, your learning is over. Children, only half of the learning takes place, not even half, less than that only takes place in online class. Whatever, Nityam, I am very much upset with you. So many times in that yesterday I told you to use capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. See, today also you are doing the mistake. So when will you correct yourself, Nityam? You are in 5th standard, you must listen and do it. So, whatever you learn in the class, you have to apply in the sentences or in the homework by your own. Then at that time you will understand, अरे यार इसको कैसा करना है, उसको कैसा करना, कल तो क्लास में सब समझ में आया, अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा है, अरे ये वर्ब को क्या करेंगे, ये ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ है, दिख रहा नहीं है, right? At that time, what you need to do is watch the video once again by yourself. अपने आप वो वीडियो एक बार देखो, अपने आप समझने के लिए कोशिश करो. Your learning will take place little more. Then you start attempting the homework. Attending homework is very, very important for having complete learning. Number of students in your class, those who are attending day-wise homework is very less. If at all you attend, you are attending partially. आधा करते हैं, आधा नहीं करते. Children, you have to stop it because I am going to post the name of homework defaulters in the group. Homework defaulters का नाम मैं ग्रुप में डालूंगा, याद रखो आप लोग. सिर्फ क्लास अटेंड करता है और बाकी पूरा दिन खेलने में जाता है. You have to stop it. Okay? You do the work, then only go for play. Now look here. We set the tables. We is the subject, set is the verb, the tables is the tables is the object. So now the tables will be in place of subject, right? The tables means it is plural or singular. You know that we have to change it into present tense, right? The tables. Now I am waiting for the answers from all of you. It is not where Harshal gone. We are changing it in present tense. Kaushik Gore, how come where? It is in present tense. एक बच्चा गलत लिखेगा, बाकी पूरा उसके पीछे. Lavanya Pidarkar, are you reading the question? Immediately delete Midole, Kamble. Anushri Longadge, why where bete? Sora Bode, we are changing it in present tense, not in past tense. Guna Kamble, wrong. There are many students, those who didn't change. I am waiting for your answer. Pooja Longadge, what is the spelling of where? This is where. Pahanna hai. And how come where here? It is in present tense. We set the tables and sparsha katkar, there is no verb like seated. This is not seat, this is set. Set matlab arrange. Okay. Pratyaksh, it is not seated. It is set, set, set. In all three forms, it is having only one, means it is same, it remains same. Set, 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 not setted. It is we. It is we Pratyaksh. When we change into object pronoun, what will it be? Abhishek, use capital letter only for the first letter. Okay. Yeah, good. Bhumi, the tables, it is the tables. So it is plural. Okay. So now look at the answer. The tables are, because it is in present tense, right? Are set, 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 set by, here it is not them. Okay, it is not they arranged to write them. We arranged. So the tables are set by us. Okay. Now, we stop the bus. We is the subject, stopped is the verb, the bus is the subject. Sorry, object. We is the subject, stopped is verb, the bus is the object. So what will happen? The bus will be the subject here when we are changing it, right? Object becomes subject. T should be capital letter for Nityam, especially I am telling. Now, the bus is singular or plural, you decide and you change the sentence. It should be changed into past tense. Okay. All of you type, I am waiting. Do fast. This is your yesterday's homework. We are discussing that only now. Come on, do fast. Come on, I am waiting for the answer. Come on, hurry up. The bus were stopped by us. रे स्पर्श कर बेटे बस ही सिंगुलर है ना. The bus is singular, तो कैसे where आएगा? It is was which you have to use because it is singular. कौशिक गोरे previously भी मैंने आपको same चीज बताया है. आपने लिखा है the bus stopped by us. There is no was, there is no where, there is no are, no is in your passive voice. You are not using the auxiliary verbs. Without auxiliary verb, the sentence is not complete. You will not get any mark, bete. Follow the format. Okay, the bus was, because it is singular, we have to change it into past tense, so it is bus. The bus was stopped. Stopped. Participle stopped by. We means object pronoun is us. Up and be included in a we man. That's why. I draw many pictures. I is subject, draw is verb, many pictures is the object. So now many pictures becomes the subject. Many pictures. M should be capital. My Nityam. Okay. Nityam, don't worry. I will be calling your name until and unless you show me changes. Okay. Many pictures. Singular or plural? You decide. It should be changed into present tense. And the verb given is tricky, draw. Let me see how many of you will make it correct. How many long card gave that draw third form is not correct. Past participle you have to use now. Harshal gone where when you have to change it into present tense. Right, after writing the answer you have to once again read it. Many pictures. Aryan, no gap between the words. Lavanya Borkude, my dear, we have to change it in present tense. You are writing many pictures were drawn by me. Listen and read the question properly. Lavanya Borkude. Okay, good. Almost all children are making it correct. This is why I told you, you have to practice. देखो इतना practice करने में इतना एक्सरसाइज प्रैक्टिस किया है तब तक देखो क्या फर्क आया है. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू आर मेकिंग इट करेक्ट. मेनी पिक्चर्स आर drew, drawn. Okay, past participle form of draw is drawn. Many pictures are drawn by I. Object pronoun is me. Many pictures are drawn by me. Now look at the next example. A thief is the subject. Stole is the verb. My car. A thief stole my car. My car is the object here. So children, you tell me object becomes subject. Ulta pulta karo. Okay. And M should be capi. M को cap लगा. तो M will be capital letter. My car. My car. Singular or plural? You decide. It has to be changed into past tense. My car. Let me see how many of you will make it correct. Do you have a car? Let me see. Lavanya Pidurkar, verb is wrong, bete. बीच में आता है. After a long time, Harsh, you made it correct. Many are deleting. I don't know why. Harshaladare, A thief, you missed A. As well as Kalyan, you missed A. आर्यन तिवारी is was में आपको अभी भी is और was की कंसेप्ट बेटा नहीं है हाँ you are changing it into past tense listen read the question properly Pratyaksh the instruction is that you have to change it into past tense not present tense from where this is coming Aryan Tiwari stolen see the spelling of stolen bete my dear you have to practice Swara Bodhe no is. I am correcting the students. I hope you can hear. Because it is in past tense you have to change. Those who are making mistakes they have to type the correct answer. Okay. Aryan, Pratyaksh and Swara Bodhe write the correct answer. Avani Longadge I didn't tell you to write the answer for the last question. Okay. Aryan Tiwari, Pratyaksh and Swara Bodhe correct yourself I said. Yes, Anushri Longadge. Okay. Anushri, I am just going to delete your answer. My car. M should be capital letter Bhumi. Vaidegi Savle. It's not yet the time for you to start a capital letter, right? Okay, these three children, they are not going to correct themselves. My car was stolen. Only one L, stolen by a thief. My car was stolen by a thief. Okay. KBR tested it. I think it is Anurag Radesh. Thief ka T क्यों capital letter? Is thief the name of somebody? A is missing. Pratyash, you are not correcting your first sentence and posting the answer. And you are going with the last one. An absolutely wrong answer you are typing. They are wearing the shoes. Is this how we are changing till now? I told Aryan, Swarabodhe and Pratyash to correct the previous questions mistake and repost the answer. Now, they is the subject, where is the verb, blue shoes is the object, right students? So, what will we do? We will just change the object into the subject place, right? So, it's blue shoes, B we will make capital, blue shoes means singular or plural, you decide. Then we have to change it into present tense. Blue shoes. Now all of you change this immediately. It is in present tense you have to change. Pratha, your verb is wrong. Kalyan, verb is wrong. Harshal gone, verb is wrong. Yuvika Singh, verb is wrong. Avani Longadge, verb is wrong. Lavanya Borkute, Balavanya Pidurkar, Bhumi Nandavani, Navya Vadaskar, Agudi, Jaya, all of you wrote with the wrong verb. What is the past participle form of where is not known by you? Right? All of you, blue shoes are wore by me is written. Where wore is past tense form or second form of this verb. We have to use past participle form of this verb. Akriti, again that is wrong. Lavanya Borkude, wrong. Because you are using wrong verb. All the students, those who are posted till now, are using wrong verbs of where. Abhishek, that's wrong, bete. Come on, hurry up fast. We have 2 minutes only. So I will be writing here. You all can notice the form of the verb. Blue shoes. Where, because shoes means plural. Where we have to change it. Sorry. We have to change it into present tense. Blue shoes are worn. W-O-R-N, worn by them. Okay, where, wore, worn. Okay, now I am sharing your attendance link. All of you mark your attendance. Blue shoes are worn by them. Mark your attendance. Blue shoes are worn by them. Those who made the mistakes, you can retype the answer. Okay, after posting the attendance, so that verb form will be there at least in your brain. Okay, children, again I will be giving you some more exercises today in your Google Classroom for converting the sentences. Converting the sentences into passive voice. And I will be giving you only present tense samples today. No need to have confusion with the past tense. Okay. One day present tense, then the next day we will go for past tense. Okay. And also I told you dialogue writing, 2 samples of planning note I will upload in your Google Classroom. Write dialogues with the help of planning note. Okay. Bye bye. See you. Take care. You have another subject. Class is there, so those who have posted the attendance, just quit the class.